All right, another thing you can immediately try is tutoring. Yeah, with the pandemic right now, children are not in school. If you're a university student, you're able to teach high school kids, you're able to teach primary school kids, you're able to teach kindergarten kids. Yeah, so depending, I was good in math. So there's always kids trying to get tuition for maths. Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Lydia, and today I want to talk about things you can do as a university student to make money online. Yeah, so first of all, these are things that I've personally done. I've done these things either when I was in school or after school. Yeah, so the things I'm telling you are not theoretical. These are things that have been tried and tested. So if you are not already following me on Instagram, please do. There's so much material you can get from that. All right, so the first idea is online selling. Yeah, so when it comes to online selling, I believe every single product can be sold. The challenge is in deciding what you need to sell and what not to sell, and which niche to go into, and then where to source your product. All that information is available on my Instagram. So if you're a university student and you're looking for a way of making money or a way of surviving, either in school or right now when you have the pandemic, go through my profile, find an idea you can go with, sell your products online or service. If there's a way or a skill you can always sell it online. Yeah, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whichever platform you're good at. Yeah, so that is the first idea that any single person can do as long as you are able to use social media. Being a broker, if you know where a given product is available and you can find customers for the same, why not sell the product? And then once you find someone who is committed to buying it, get it from the supplier and sell. Especially on my Instagram, I talk about Kamukunji, I talk about Easily. If someone needs something that you can easily get from Easily, why not find customers, then go pick the item. Once you have a customer at hand, yeah, go pick the item from whatever shop you can get it from. Like, just look places where you can source for such items. Yeah, so that's another way. Be a broker for something. Like, the next thing is transcription. If you don't already know what transcription is, it involves listening to people speaking and then typing in what those people are speaking or what that person is speaking. In this, you need an account. Like, I don't want to get the details of it, but transcription, that's what transcription involves. You need an account that links you to these clients, and then you're able to do the work and then upload on that given site. Yeah, there are several transcribers or transcription groups locally on Facebook. So just type in and then you'll find people who do that, and then you'll get further information. I did it for a while, but then I did it for a while, but then I didn't last long before I hoped onto academic writing, which is my next idea. Academic writing, if you're able to write or if you're able to construct complete sentences that make sense, then this is another thing you can try. There's academic writing and there's essay writing. So depending on, essay writing is mostly fiction, and then academic writing is mostly facts, like research work and doing assignments and all that. So decide one which goes well with your writing style or your skills. Yeah, so if you can do academic writing, just the same thing, go on Facebook. There's so many academic writing groups, and then you can learn how to go about it. Yeah, so that is something you can immediately start doing right now. Like, as long as you have a computer and you can write complete sentences, it's a good way to go. Yeah, and then also, it's not an easy job. Like, with all these things that I'm saying, transcription, essay writing, academic writing, they require effort, and it involves a lot of long working hours, especially at night, because that is the time when clients are online. So that is the best time to get jobs. Yeah, so all of them involves working at night or working late in the night or working for long hours, and then there are seasons when there are no jobs, so you need to be able to, like, balance. Another thing you can immediately try is tutoring. Yeah, with the pandemic right now, children are not in school. If you're a university student, you're able to teach high school kids, you're able to teach primary school kids, you're able to teach kindergarten kids. Yeah, so depending on a subject you are good at, or if you're good with small babies, you can try the ECD and all that. Get a few students at home, wherever you are. Yeah, get a few students, teach them. Yeah, but particularly I was good in math. So there's always kids trying to get tuition for maths. Yeah, so primary maths is simple, high school maths is simple. So find a few students, find a few pupils, teach them. You can make something small. Like, don't charge them like school. Yes, like, you have to start from somewhere. You can't just, like, wake up one day and you have a big school or anything. Like, just start with 5 students or 10. From that money, use that money to invest in another business that you want to be in. Yeah, yeah. So you keep saving. If you're good with kids, if you're good in a skill, if it doesn't have to be academic, even like dancing. I see, like where I live, I see children going for dance classes. If you can dance, find a couple of students, teach them how to dance. Yeah. If you know how to do makeup, find a few people, a few children who want to learn how to do makeup, teach them that. Yeah. Because like right now I realize there's so many makeup artists, but then there are no makeup artists. Okay, they're there, but very few who focus on children. So instead of being a makeup artist, just find students who are interested in pursuing makeup in the future. Teach them how to do makeup for kids. Yeah. Depending, any skill can be taught. Like whatever skill you have, just find children who are interested in the same, or people younger than you. Another thing is forex trading, like and then okay, with forex trading you need to learn like if you don't have like a financial background, I think this is a skill you need to learn. It won't take long, it takes about a month or two, then you'll be able to like trade on your own. And then it's just important to let you know that forex is more like gambling. Like it's not something that is promised. Yeah, it's a gamble, so you have to start with something. So if you don't have money, if you don't have an extra money, then don't do it. Don't do it, because you're going to lose your money, and then after that you're going to get depressed and get hungry here. Yeah. So if you don't have much money, wait a little bit longer, use the other techniques, and then once you have some money, you can try forex is like gambling. All right, another thing is personal shopping or errands. Like if you have a good taste, or if you're able to run around, let's say you're in Nairobi, yeah, you can be able to run errands for people who are up country and need certain things done within the city. Yeah, and you can always volunteer to get them for them. And then you don't even have to go like full blown posting on Facebook to look for clients, but it's a good idea to look for clients on Facebook. But if you have a few, just use word of mouth. The few you get, the better. And then once you are able to, like, if it's not something you want to do in the long run, just save up and then use that money to do the things you want to do in the future. Yeah. So personal shopping or running errands, the two ideas are awesome, and you'll be able to make some money. Or a part of running errands, you can also do wines delivery or alcohol delivery, or any other accessories related to that. You can always deliver. There are people who want to use these products, but then they are not able to get them, or they're not able to buy them themselves, especially adult products. So if you're able to do that, just advertise, and then you'll get people. I assure you, just go on Facebook today and post that you're running errands for this and that. Yeah. Depending on what you're comfortable with, you'll always get a client or two. Yeah. And if you're not willing to go on Facebook, just do personal selling. Just target a few people. If you have people within your circle who you think would be interested in that service, just mention it to them, and then when you start with them, then they'll refer you to other people, then you keep growing. And then finally, capitalize on your strength. Like capitalize on something that you're already winning at. For example, I see so many young people, like university students, who have a large audience on Facebook, but then they use it for, I don't see, they use it for nothing. They use it for nothing. Yeah. So if you already say you have an audience, use that audience, sell them something, or just market something on behalf of a business. Just be a broker on your platform. Yeah. So depending on who you are, if you already have something, a strength that you can capitalize on, please do so. Use that skill. Instead of learning something afresh, just capitalize on something you already know. Yeah. If say you're good at skating, find children who want to learn how to skate. Teach each one of them. Yeah. Give them a personal, what do you call it? Personal classes. Yeah. Whatever it is you're already good at, just capitalize on that. You don't have to learn something new. That will be all for now. Thank you very much for watching. If you don't see any skill of the skills that I've mentioned, just go on my Instagram. There's so many ideas that I've posted on there, and then you can get a skill or two that you can work with for now. Yeah. And then I'll keep updating this list. I'll keep updating the business ideas that one can venture in as we go. So please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.